Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook mobile number. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on menu option, tap on settings and privacy, click on settings. After that, tap on see more in account center. Okay, scroll down, tap on personal details and click on contact info. Okay, tap on your number and click on delete number, then delete. See, quote your Gmail and tap add to another account and just tap on add new contact and change your Facebook mobile number. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.